Hi, my name is Spencer Powell, representing City Travel's office here in the Canary Islands, and although there's still a bit of uncertainty going around, the show must go on. And proof of that is a recent site inspection that we had just 2 weeks ago. Have a look. Entra vídeo.
And this is just a sneak peek of what Tenerife has to offer. Beautiful landscapes, amazing event locations, a great variety of accommodation, 365 days of sun, a gastronomy that is a must. I mean, you need to try a papas con mojo and much more. But I'll let you be the judge of that, so ready to start planning your next event with us? Contact us for more information.